last video we discussed 6.7's first three parts about the font style, dimension for the rows height and the column width, and also the alignment within a cell. We talk about some the properties or object that you can load from our open PyXL. For font is you load our object called font, and alignment is our alignment. And then for this video, we move to the rest of two. One is the border style, and another is the fill and the gradient style. We use the worksheet.border object, or is a pattern fill, gradient fill, the property to show this. Let's move on. 674 is the border style. So let's create our new border style.py. So first, let's copy over 3 lines, and here from the style import is the border. One is a border, another is a side, and then we will have a WB save. Now we save to our 674.xlxx. So let's just verify. So our file is opened and is saved correctly. So that is our 674. So let's give our value for B2. So same, let's use hello world. So let's run this and to see here. So we have this hello world here, and then we will have a site. Maybe because we don't make that column width. So let's set the column width. So with this one. So column width to ensure it's enough width. So let's copy this. And we put before, so column B. And then we have enough size. So side, so first instance side, and then the WSB2 dot border. So we already have our border. So load this border. We can use this border equal to border. So let's just this I suggest can be your also the style for or the hobby for the programming. Whenever you start to make an instance of the new object, keep that blank and try to run. And that will give you our better way to ensure to find our bug as early as possible. So we have this width, we can check is 49.29, so that's almost 50. We already discussed this last time. So hello world is within this B2. So if we are now going to set set those style for our border, so we can start to see. So border is from the two the object. The first is the style is border. This style is thin on the color. So let's put that here. Thin. So that is one color is F. So RGB. So if you put this FF, maybe I just put this all in 0, then that should be the exact red. So that should be easier to see. Let's see if whether here can see. No. So on this preview, unfortunately, you can only see the value. Or so here I don't see we have the color showed. So color, so we put this 6.74, so thin. And let's also put this 660D. And we put this border. So this just the side. Possible is we should set here top equal to side. So we define side, and here is the usage of side. So now let's make this. Let's see here also, but you can see here is looks like it's are different. So if I put those comment, let's run this again. Oh, it's no difference. So I think it's for the preview is not able to see the style. Let's still use this way. Oh, you can see here now is our pink and with a thin. So in the top we define this style now. Now let's see the bottom. So for size, so side is make this base, and we now have the bottom side style equal to double. So we don't use this side, we use our own side. And the left is equal to side, right equal to side. Oh, maybe right, let's put, I don't know, it's whether style has thick. And color equal to 0000 FF. So that should be the blue. So let's make, oh, look like it's okay. So I guess that should be thick. Okay, good. So bottom is no color. So default is black color, then it's a double line. And the right is I put the thick is, and I use separate color setting, and the left and the top will be using this the predefined side variable. Then you can assign this variable to some color, the directions. So this is the way you can set this color. So this also the similar like what you did here. So if you have a cell and you put here, make this the border, and here is the line color. But this I think is you need to make here. So you set first this is thin, and you gave our color, like I gave our purple, and you gave this one and the thick. Click thick, then click this, then give a color. So use this. So first set the style, then click this, and you set double, and with another red, then click here. So then this will come to here, and these activities are implemented by our code using side and border. So that is the 674. So I hope you know how to set the style for border. And let's create the 6.5. 675 is the fill and gradient. So that is set the fill color. So first let's go to, so like copy this all, then because I want this save file as well. So and we don't have this border now. Is we put another is the pattern. fill gradient. So let's set this B2 still say here. So we have that one. Then we have our B2, and if LL equal to pattern fill. So let's see. Well, what's this one? So 11. If 11 equal to this, I think it's what's this? Fill. So I think here is the typo. So let's make this fill, because here is low the fill. So I think here is the author has some typo. So we make our variable called fill pattern fill, and then we already have the border, and then we start to set fill. So this dot fill equal to fill, and for the another C3 dot fill equal to gradient fill, and then we don't have anything else. Let's create this 75675. So we don't have our file create. So what's the part? From this cannot import name gradient, gradient. Oh, gradient fill. So let's okay, perfect. So now we have our file here. So but we don't have. Oh, we already have a fill. So here the B2, this is B3. So B3, if we don't put anything on gradient, then its gradient will get fill in black. So let's separate that. Let's run this on B4. So let's first do this the gradient. So we should give a degree is 60, and then with stop equal to, those are the 00000. So that's the RGB. So all the 0 should be the black, and to RG, so it's to green, and to white, and with the 16, the 60 degree. So let's first run this first. So in our so in this the preview, you can see the under double line, and right is the thick. So but you cannot see other styles. So it can show you partial. So here you can see the 60 degree is from this angle, and then from the black to white. So if I switch this, so if this I go to here, and from here is black. So let's run, then you can see. Let me close that and open again. Oh, so I think it's that locked. So let me. Oh, it's open. So permission error. So if you don't close that from Excel, you will get error because you are not able to write content from Python. So now you can see it's vice versa. There is a gradient. So that is easier. And let's put back to this pattern fill. So fill is we have more complex. Is first is pattern type. Let's see solid, and then front page, front ground, foreground color. Let's see the F562A4. If you use capital, then I suggest you also use capital, not some capital, some the lowercase. So background is 0000, so that is the blue. That's all. So and we don't have others. Let's just have a look. Oh, sure, I didn't close again. So run, and let's see here. From here, you don't see anything, but you can see this double line and this thick line. So from here, okay. So you can see these are the pink color, and is the front, the background, and the front color. So that is this style, and you can also have the front color as the start color, same as here, the background color as the end color, pattern type as this field type. So those are the different way you can put. If I open the Excel, so let's see here. So if I put the pattern, so more color, I think it's here. Oh, where is the pattern? So view, define, format, fill, and here is the pattern style. So you can put, this is solid, this is I'm not sure is whether I can use this type, but let's just verify how we can read from here. Pattern style. If I right click the definition, so I cannot go to the definition for those. So maybe I should see here. Oh, so that is not allow you to go to the this OpenPY. No reference. Okay, but if I same as what we have done earlier, like here. So if let's try. So OpenPY Excel styles, the pattern field, pattern type. Let's see, here is the fill module. So we should guess that's the gradient, and I want to see the pattern style, pattern type. So now you can see here. Let's compare with the Excel. This also you can learn more by yourself beyond this book. So if you right click here, you get this format cell, and you can click here. So this is a solid. Just let's make the compare here. So solid is here. Second is 75% gray. So dark gray, dark trailer. So it's light up. So here you this percentage you should translate that into this dark light or something else. So let's make this light down. So what that means? So let me close this. Light down. Let's run and open my Excel. Looks like it's not changed. So it's light on. I think it's I have a wrong com. Okay, so this now is good. So yeah, that's perfect. So let me see here. What's the? Can I read something? So here is come to here. So these are thin reverse diagonal strip. is come to this light down. So this a way is you can cross checking. So you just like my test is you use one type from this menu and put that into your code, and you see the effect and verify that from Excel. Okay, that's all for the styles. And the next video we will go to the filter and the sorting. That is coming to, if you come to Excel, it's not in the home but in the data. So it's one is a sort, one is a filter. Well, we will verify these features altogether. Thank you for your watching. See you in the next video.